Hello kids, let's learn opposite words. Welcome to Manushri and Mallar tutorial. Big, small, hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad, old, young, hard, soft, full, empty, near, far, heavy, light, open, closed, clean, dirty, rich, poor, wet, dry, front, back, day, night, up, down, inside, outside, cry, laugh. Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.